has been one of the top projects on the government's agenda, and we have continued to look at it, and now I'm happy that the PSST has given his assurance, because it's the man with the purse. If the man with the purse says, "I'll give you the money," then I think the rest is done. So I'm very happy that he has made a commitment, and I know that this project will never stall for anything like lack of money. So we have a day to celebrate, we have reason to celebrate this achievement. The standard gauge railway will become the backbone of our surface transport system, and will provide the much needed transport capacity in the country and the region, as cargo and passenger transport demand has been increasing rapidly over the last few years. Uganda, we have a dream of exporting 12 million bags of coffee. Now, if we don't have reliable transport in the form of the railway and standard gauge railway for that matter, that will remain a dream. Just exporting 12 million bags of coffee every year is not, and that's just one item. That's just one item. But there are many more items. You have heard that we are talking of sending a loop to Kampala. There is in Muko, there is iron ore, which is there unexploited, and it's supposed to be transported. So all this really requires reliable and very affordable means of transport, and that's the investment is worthy what government is investing in. And being a seamless regional railway system, the standard gauge railway will further enhance our regional integration efforts and will lower the cost of transport and doing business among others, not only us, but also the wider region of East Africa. As you know, East Africa has grown from the original 3 countries. I think now we are 7 or 5. When you add DRC, South Sudan, Rwanda, Burundi, I think the region is growing. And definitely we can't grow the region without being connected. And this is one of the reasons why this kind of project is very important. And with our laws and strategies, I task YAPI to ensure that the project's local content strategy is adhered to ensure that the local capacity is enhanced and that Ugandans benefit from the project right from the start. YAPI, we expect you to purchase as many materials as possible from the local market, because we have companies, we have people producing iron bars, we have people producing cement, we have companies which have got ISO certification. So, and they have already participated in some projects, like the Nairobi Bridge, which you see there, like the flyover here. Most of the materials have been supplied by local contractors. We need to support them. They need to own to fill the project. So please, as much as possible, use as much of the local materials as possible so that they can see the benefit and feel that this is their project. I implore you to be transparent in all matters of the local content to avoid disputes which can hamper project delivery. And we are here to help you throughout. We shall guide you as much as you want to be guided, so that you are not either you are not taken advantage of or you are not cheated. So, ladies and gentlemen, I take this opportunity to thank all our stakeholders, including Citibank and partners.
To give you an example, a container from Turkiye comes to Mombasa port with a cost of $1,800. And from Mombasa to Kampala, the cost is $4,000. This is simply unbearable. In this respect, I am confident that the negotiation process for the next phase, Kampala-Kasese route, will be concluded in a shorter period of time. Maybe we should leave the flag here for the next ceremony. Therefore, I would like to commend His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of Uganda, for his vision of building SGR in Uganda and promoting the neighboring countries to settle a regional SGR network. I want to conclude by praising the Ministry of Transport and Yapı Merkezi for successfully completing the contract negotiations.